Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing about crashing of project network, example number 1. As you can see in this example, we have to consider the project as given in following table. So we are given the activities, normal time in weeks and normal cost according to the normal time. Also we have crash time. There is a limit of crashing for particular activity. So crash time of each activity is given and crashing cost of each activity is given. As you can see, as we crash the activity, the cost of activity will get increased. So the crashing cost is higher than the normal cost. Now, in this particular example, what we have to do, if we have to consider the direct cost per week is 200, indirect cost is fixed, that is 200 per week. Find the optimal cash project complete time. So we have to find out the optimum time at which the project will get completed. So optimal cash project completion time means what? At which cost as well as the time is minimum to complete a particular project. Whenever such type of sum is come for crashing, we have to find out cost loop. That is the most important. We have to find out cost loop of each activity. To find out cost loop, the formula is crash cost minus normal cost upon normal time minus crash time. So for first activity, activity 1-2, for example, crash cost is 850 minus normal cost is 700 upon normal time is 7 and crash time is 4. So cost loop for activity 1-2 is 50. So likewise, by using this formula, I calculated the cost loop of each activity. After knowing the crash cost of each activity, next step is to draw a network. So we have to draw activity network. By using the connection between activities preceding as well as succeeding activities, we have to draw a network, which is explained in previous videos. So let us draw a network first by using this connections. After this, we have to find out critical. So now what are the chances to complete the activity? So first path is 1, 2, 2, 5 and 5, 7. If we add all the activity duration, it will come to 18. Then we have second path, that is 1, 3, 3, 5 and 5, 7. That will become to 12. And we have 1, 3, 3, 6, 6, 7. That is 14 and 1, 4, 4, 6 and 6, 7. That is again come to 18. So it means what? There are two critical paths, 1, 2, 5, 7 and 1, 4, 6, 7. To complete the project by using this normal duration, we require what? We require 18 weeks. Now this is the duration. Now we have to calculate the total cost. The total cost formula is what? Normal direct cost plus indirect cost. So normal direct cost by using the normal duration, that is addition of all normal costs, that is 6500. So that we have used over here. Normal direct cost is 6500 plus indirect cost. As we know, indirect cost is 200 per week. So 18 into 200, that is 10,100 for this particular iteration in which we have considered only the normal duration. Now what we have to do? We have to crash the activity to get the optimum solutions. Before start crashing, first we have to make one table in which we have to identify the crash limit and the slope of each activity. So as we know, there are two critical paths. So we can crash the activities of critical path only. So critical path 1, 2, 5, 7. The critical activities are what? 1, 2, 2, 5 and 5, 7. And crash limit of each activity is given above, that is 3, 2, 1. How will you find out this? As over here you can see, for activity 1, 2, normal time is 7 and crash time is 4. That means what? We have 3 weeks so that we can crash the activity by 3 weeks. Likewise, we have calculated the crash limit. Cost loop we have calculated already. Then for second critical path, 1, 4, 4, 6 and 6, 7. Critical activities are 1, 4, 4, 6 and 6, 7. And crash limit we have calculated already. Now whenever you go for crashing, first of all we'll crash the activity which is in critical path and which is having a least cost loop, so that the cost will increase minimum. So the least cost loop in each path is 50 and 125. That is for the critical activity 1, 2 and for 4, 6. So we'll be crashing critical activity 1, 2 and 4, 6 by the limit. The limit is what? 3 and 2. So now we'll crash activity 1, 2 and 4, 6 by 1 week first. So by crashing the activities we have to draw a new network. So over here as you can see we have drawn a new network. The network will remain same, just we have to minimize the duration. So over here the duration was 7 for activity 1, 2. The duration was what? 7. So that 7 duration is now cut down to 6, and for activity 4, 6 also we have the normal was 7, so we have to cut, and that is 6 now. So by using this we have calculated critical path again. So there are 4 possibilities by which we can complete a project, and by adding duration of each path we can see that again the critical path maintain are same. So whenever you go for crashing you have to see that the critical path will not get disturbed. The critical activities should remain the critical only, but while doing crashing any other part can become a critical path. So over here as we can see 1, 2, 5, 7 is again a critical path, same as 1, 4, 6, 7. And now the project duration is reduced to 17 weeks as we have done the crashing of activities by 1 week. Now we have reduced the project duration by 17 weeks. Now let us calculate the total cost. So total cost for iteration 2 is what? Previous the total cost we have calculated plus the direct cost, that is nothing but what? Slope cost of the activities we have crashed. So 50 plus 125 because we have crashed by 1 week only, and minus the indirect cost. Why minus? Because weeks are get reduced. So minus 1 into 200. So new cost is 10,075. Now again we'll go for crashing. In third iteration the critical path is same. Again we have the crash limit of activity 1, 2 is remaining to 2 and 4, 6 remaining to 1. And again as you can see the cost slope of activity 1, 2 and 4, 6 is minimum for each path. So again we'll crash activity 1, 2 and 4, 6 by 1 week. By doing so, as over here you can see for activity 1, 2 previously it was 6 weeks, now it is 5, and for 4, 6 it was 6, now it is 5 weeks. So by crashing, now we'll find out again the critical path and the project completion duration. For there are 4 possible ways. So as we can see 1, 2, 5, 7 we required 16 weeks to complete the project, and 1, 4, 6, 7 we required 16 weeks again to complete the project. So there are again 2 critical paths and project will get completed into 16 weeks. Now the total cost will be what? The total cost from previous iteration plus the cost loop of activity which had crashed, that is 1, 2 and 4, 6 minus 1 into indirect cost, that is 200. So now the cost is again reduced, that is 10,050. So cost is reducing, it means we are on a right track. So let us move on to next iteration. For next iteration as you can see in critical path 1, 2, 5, 7 activity 1, 2 again can be crashed by 1 day. But if we are talking about activity 4, 6 it cannot be further crash as the limit of crashing is we have used already, exhausted. So we can crash either 1.4 or 6.7. So we are going for 1.4 because the crash flow of 1.4 is minimum. So again we have to crash activity 1.2 and 1.4 1 week. By doing so, now the next duration, new duration of the project will be 15 days. So here as you can see, the initially it was 5 days, and for activity 1.4, it was 8 weeks. So we have crashed activity 1.2 and 1.4 by 1 week and reduced them to 4 and 7. So the critical path is maintained again, as you can see, 15 and 15 days. So critical path are same, and the project duration is reduced to 15 weeks. Now if you calculate the total cost will be what? Previous cost, which we have calculated, plus crash slope or cost slope of activity 1.2 and 1.4. So 50 plus 200 and minus indirect cost of 1 week, that is 200. So cost is now 10,100. So as we can see over here, the cost is get increased because of crashing. The cost got increased. So over here will be stop at crashing, and finally we'll state that since the total cost of this iteration 4 is more than that of the previous iteration, that is iteration 3, stop the procedure and treat the solution of the previous iteration, that is third iteration, as the best solution for implementation. The final crash project completion time is what? 16 weeks, that is in iteration 3. So corresponding critical path are 1257 and 1467.